Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Export YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about the Snap camera. You have installed the Snap camera but for some reason you didn't like it and you want to uninstall it. But when you try to uninstall it, you get the message like it looks like Snap camera is currently running. Please close all instances of Snap camera, then click OK to continue installation or cancel to exit. Click uninstall this app and its related information will be uninstall, and here you get the message like your snap camera cannot be uninstalled because it said that the file is running in the background. So you have to delete the background running file first and then only you are able to uninstall this. So close this one, and at the right bottom corner and you can see the up arrow. Open the hidden files and you can see your camera icon, and right click on the camera icon and press exit, and go back to the settings and app and try to uninstall it again. And this time you will see the different message, the confirmation message like are you sure you want to uninstall these components, press S, and now you can see it's uninstalling. Once it's completely uninstalled, so you get a message like your file is completely uninstalled. Now go back to the apps again and try to search the Snap, and this time you can see there is no Snap camera available on the system because it's completely uninstalled.